Good.
This is our saturation flow rate study completed by Jose Gomez, Brandon Perez, myself, and Zane Allen. This is our effort statement.
The primary objective of determining the saturation flow rate in this study is to optimize the efficiency and effectiveness of signalized intersections. This involves maximizing the throughput of vehicles through the intersection during each signal cycle while minimizing delays and congestion. In this study, we calculated the maximum number of vehicles that can pass through a signalized intersection per lane per hour under ideal conditions. We determined the maximum green time, effective green time cycle length at a signalized intersection, and we determined if the capacity is sufficient for the existing demand volume.
This is our site selection. Northbound Cobb Parkway, completed between the hours of 4:30 p.m. through 6 p.m.
The results yielded an average headway of 1.01 seconds per vehicle, an average saturation flow of 3,772.4 vehicles per hour, an average startup delay of 1.88 seconds. Furthermore, this also yielded an effective green time of 81.52 seconds and a lane capacity of 1,417 vehicles per hour.
The recommended saturation flow rate by the Federal Highway Administration is between 15,000 and 2,000 passenger cars per hour per lane, where ours is 3,800, which is well above that recommended number. It also assumes a delay of 2 seconds, while ours is 1.88 seconds, but there was no clearance interval used in this study. Well, that was necessary. The timing is adequate for the given flow.
Taking what we know now, we recognize that our average headway of 1.01 seconds per vehicle describe an efficient traffic flow. Then our saturation flow rate suggests that intersection design and traffic control measures implemented are effective in providing smooth traffic with little to no delays or congestion. Lastly, the resultant average startup delay was calculated to be 1.88 seconds, indicating that the reaction time and acceleration of vehicles from a stationary position are reasonably efficient. These results are pivotal for future improvements in traffic signal timing and intersection design, aiming to further reduce delays and enhance the overall capacity of our transportation infrastructure. Lastly, we have our references, the Transportation Lab Manual, GDOT Policy Manual, and Highway Capacity Manual. All right.